The product management, it's covering the safe means if we have more than 50 members or 60 members in the team and is able to divide the team at least minimum 5 teams. 50 members means 10 people. At least 6 people, 8 people, or some teams 12 people. Like that, how many people will be there in one team? Minimum 5 people, maximum 10 people, one team. One train, minimum 50, maximum 125. See, business aspect means any business we can do it in safe. Any business aspects. We have the values team. That's the reason I use the word values team here. So safe is not only for IT or non-IT. For the particular business, I need the people more than 50 members. We can bring it to safe. Banking, non-banking, mechanical, electrical, call centers, everything we can bring it. That's the reason we use the train with each and every iteration. I can explain that. Give me one business. Which business you talk about? Okay, ROI, return of investment. Other thing, that's those things you're talking. See, do the capacity planning. First, I say when you talk about return means money. Okay, we do the capacity planning. For this PI, I have 10 members team in one train. I talk about one train. I have 10 members team. I have each and every team. There are 10 people. For example, easy to understand. 100 people are working in my train. Each and every people of investment timeline. Each and every sprint will calculate for this particular one based on the market, how much it comes. That's the way you're doing for train level ROI, return of investment. We are releasing the project for every week as usual as Scrum. We are not stopping for everything. We are releasing a project every week. We are up and run. Some information, some product, we can spill over like a Scrum. But here we are connecting the Scrum based on Scrum. What's the business we are coming? The ROI is a lost of PMP ROI is different here. I took PMP also. PMP ROI is different. And even today, PMP 7th edition, very recently I took it. They come to Agile very nicely. They use the same words. 1, 2, 3 roles. Currently, main roles I say. Scrum Master, already you know. Chief of Scrum Master RT, one train, one RT. I told, right? One train, one RT. That is role. Two trains are there joined together. That is called STE. For STE, that is a solution architect. Yes will come. Solution architect will come. Can you see here? STE, one solution architect will come. For STE, one solution manager will come. You give solution backlog. They use the word solution without disturbing. Okay. If it is one train, one solution manager will come. You give solution backlog. They use the word solution without disturbing. Okay. If it is one train, maximum one train, many projects are using ST is very rare, to be honest. Okay. If one train, RT is the main role. Even Scaled Agile, there is a course called RT, but there is no course called ST. Trust me. RT is the main role here. And who do the ST role? Senior persons who is working experience in RT will do. Otherwise, the person like me is SPC, Safe Program Consultant. Only SPC can give training to the consultant. That's the reason. Okay. So RT for one train. RT have technical person, right? That is called system architect. RT need one product owner. That is call it as a product manager. We have the course called POPM. We have the course called PO/PM. PM is not project manager. It's like product management, not PM. Okay. RT means is a chief of the train. For one train, I have one RT. For one train, the one RT. But the RT get the technical information from architect. That's system architect. Solution architect means senior guy. So here the designation is system architect. RTE is like a Scrum Master. It's like a senior Scrum Master. RTE will facilitate the train. What Scrum Master will do? Facilitate the team. Scrum Master will understand what's happening inside the team. But RTE will understand what's happening in the multiple team. So we ask the product management, create program backlog. From program backlog, we give it to the each and every team. Is called team backlog. There is no product backlog. These are the things come for the one RTE will explain for one train. Is the chief for one train. If there is 2 RT means 2 trains is there. 2 engineer is there. You can ask me, same RT will manage 2 train? It's not legal. One scrum master for one team, right? That like that. One RT for one train. That is legal. Everybody, developers, testers, everybody is don't take 15 team members. 15 team members, I never accept it. If you have the 15 team members, split into 2 teams. 8 plus 7. Group size, it should be very less. Team size should be very less. I have a lot of videos of that, but in the course it is. Why the team size is smaller? Big R&D happened. They proved it. More than 10, it's not good. No need. It is not like Scrum team only need to do Scaled Agile. It's not compulsory. But if you do the Scrum team will easily understand the Scaled Agile process little bit early. That's the difference. Because it is not, you trust me, I done only one certification in Scrum like CSM, Certified Scrum Master in 2015. I remember it. But in Scaled Agile, once comes, I can done nearly 15 to 16 certifications. I understand very deeply. I've understood very nicely. Not only that Scrum.org, Scrum.in, Scrum Alliance, everything, I can easily understand what they're saying because they can't say more than one team. But here, I can say with the multiple teams. I can take the training for multiple teams with multiple trains. It is not compulsory. You need to be like Scrum team only get promoted as a Scaled Agile. No compulsory like that. Many team members in my team members, even the juniors, the degree holders can also become the Scrum Master for Scaled Agile, product owner for Scaled Agile. If you understand the products, you can convert the product into the stories. Then you are good a product owner. Their POPM, safe POPM is quite okay for you. You are very good patiency. You have the knowledge of managing the team. You have a very good facilitator. Scrum Master is like a facilitator. Then go to the safe. You can enter the train very nicely. If you are RT, you have a good knowledge of handling the multiple teams as a project manager before. I know even the team is very bigger. I can easily split my team in my brain. I can easily understand each and every team what they're performing. You can become RT. It is not compulsory you need to be a train. It's like a new mindset. It's like a new culture. I can say it's like a new religion. I say the negative things first. I take the positive things later. It takes the time to digest the full thing. Because the team level, what it is now, until unless there is no, if you don't have 50 people, you can't do it. At least you need 50 people. That's the biggest challenge in Scaled Agile. Many teams are happy to enter Scaled Agile. If there is no 50, at least 40. Because 3 teams, even 2 teams, nothing to share here, nothing to divide. I need something to cut my apple, right? I can cut the pumpkin in apple size, but I need pumpkin by hand. Otherwise, it's very tough to understand. It's very tough to understand. That is the minus point. What is the plus point? Until unless any type of complex project, any type of big banking, insurance, mechanical, technical, techno-functional, aeronautics. Don't forget about aeronautics and aerospace and all. Even talk about the banking sectors. Talk about the project which have the long run. Use safe. You no need to do anything. Safe will do everything for you. I repeat again. You no need to do anything because the complex project, how to divide this much big here, how to see when you're running on school, safe is best. You're running on school, right? Safe is best. You have one, I am the big chef. I have the contractor to do the kitchen for a big marriage function. Safe is best. Dividing the works. Make the process. I have n number of teams. Many teams going the performing the many marriage functions. This month, this marriage function, this PI. I need to perform for this marriage function for I always say in the training, how many person get married? Yes, everybody get married. If PA planning is getting married for every 3 months, everybody laugh at me. Yes, that much preparations. Just think about our marriage day. We are not performing, we are not start performing 2 days back or 5 days back. Invitations, the process, the structures, and the 2 days just we celebrate our marriage. The process structures is big. Like that, scaled agile, if it is a complex and most complex one, we can use it. If it is easy one, go to the Scrum. If very, very easy, go to waterfall. Even the first day we learned the same CSM, right? Complex project for Scrum, non-complex project is waterfall. Scaled agile is minimum 50 members with a complex one. Otherwise, don't enter. Because it's a waste of putting that much energy. PA planning is not at all easy. But if you do it, you don't need to do anything. PA planning will complete everything. It's for big projects. It is MNCs, mechanical companies, call centers, scaled agile support. They use Kanban there instead of Scrum team. 50 is the minimum number what scaled agile is recommended. Do you understand? Maybe at least you have 5 teams, because the train, just think the train. If I have only 1, 2 connector, I can't say it is the train, right? I say double-decker bus. The train means at least 4 box I need. I have 2 box, then it's a double-decker bus. Many companies taking time to enter the scaled agile, that's the main reason. Then what we do now in Accenture, Infosys, Cognizant, especially Cognizant, we are training. I don't know how many persons coming from Cognizant, I don't know. Regularly corporate training is happening for scale. Is that we are also training. What they do now? Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, Accenture, and account level they connect. Because if you do the PA planning one time, I know it's very tough. Tough means you guys are new, right? That is tough. For me, it's easy because I've done many times. For you, it's new. It's very tough. Once you've done it, clear. You don't need to do anything. PA planning will do everything, because everybody came to know what's happening in the team. Everybody can understand what their strength. Everybody can understand what other strength. Easily they can perform. Hi, my dear friends. This PI, I told you, right? In the PA planning, you're creating the banner, right? Please create the banner. Same banner, send it to me. You don't need to create the banner. Hey, this API you guys, this team is doing. Yes, this API I'm also using. Send it to me. Okay, send the mail to RTE and P1. I send it to you. Done. Problem solved. Many things, many codings are done by the other teams. You guys are not using that. Yes or no? Trust me. We all are 5 years, 6 years experience here. Many codings are used by the other teams. It is not in the visibility. We are doing the same code. Same logic, same API. You can just take it from there. When you are going to take, until unless you need to know they are doing the same set of future. It's not mandatory. Safe, when you adopt the safe, until unless the project is most complex, until unless the project is having more than 50 members, no need to adapt. Even 50 members, it's straightforward, don't jump it. See, taking the Formula 1 car for the market, the getting the vegetables like that. If it is easy and flexible, just go and walk and come. Why you're taking a Formula 1 car? If you use the Formula 1 car, go for the Formula 1 race. So it's depend on what you're using and where you're using. Then you'll get a good result. Correct team, correct person for the correct process. You'll get the correct results. Thank you. Thank you, team.
Yeah.